Hello, hello! I'll be showing you now how to install the runtime tester for assignment 2 in Eclipse. Sorry that you're using Eclipse. Alright, so first I'm going to go to my courses. I'm just going to go to COMP250. Then I've got this announcement here which gives us all the instructions and stuff. But we're just going to go to content, then go to assignment 2. And we're going to download our assignment 2 speed tester.zip. Just putting that in there. I already had it downloaded from before, so I'll just open the one I already had. There we are. Here's my zip file. In here I've got my .jar files and my speedtester.java. So first thing I need to do is I need to put my speedtester.java in my source folder for my assignment 2. Here I've got the same files that you guys should have from your assignment 2 template. I'm just going to drag in my file here. There, and now it's going to say it doesn't work because it doesn't have this visualizer imported. No problem. We're just going to import that library. To do that, we're going to right-click on our project. For me, it's my assignment 2, -COMP250 Winter 2020. I'm just going to go here into build path, and I'm going to configure build path. Now here it says libraries. It might not default to showing you libraries here at the top tabs. You just make sure you click on libraries. Then you click on class path under here, and then add external jars. Now you're going to get the jar for your operating system. For me, my operating system is Windows. I know I'm living a terrible life. I'm going to drag this into here. I'm just going to replace the file I had here before. Regardless, doesn't matter. You don't have to replace the file if you didn't already have it. But you just select your runtime tester.jar for your own operating system. And you press apply, and then apply and close. And now, if I look at my speedtester.java, it looks like it's going to work. So if we right-click this and we click Run as Java Application, or if we run it however it is you prefer to run things, we'll see that it opens. Now in honor of Eclipse, I'm going to put this into a Blinding My Eyes theme, and you can see that it actually works. And we can see all of our various methods for adding and multiplying and everything, and Java's built-in methods, math demos, which let you compare. So if you want to compare, let's say, your multiply polynomial to O of n squared for the worst case, then here we can just say, well, O of n squared versus our polynomial. O of n squared is the yellow, multiply polynomial is the orange, and then higher up it means slower, so our O of n squared looks like it's the wrong step time, but it does actually increase faster, because big O notation is not about how fast it runs, it's about how the runtime changes as the amount of stuff in your data set changes. Anyways, that's an explanation for another day. This should be good to go. You've got your speed tester here. Good luck, and I wish you all the best in your assignment. If you're having trouble debugging, I recommend IntelliJ. Enjoy.